welcome to our very first unit, which is scientific method and measurement. Before we go any further, let me stop and introduce myself. My name is Devika Panikkar. I will be your science teacher for this year, and I am very excited meeting you all. Hopefully, you all will be attending our live Zoom session so I can get to know you more. A couple of fun facts about me. I actually moved to North Carolina 2 weeks ago, so pretty new. And this is my first year teaching at Capilonco Academy. Hopefully, throughout this year, we can get to know each other better and make this an amazing year full of surprises. Moving forward, like I said, we will be talking about scientific method and measurements. To begin with, we will be talking about measurements, specifically measurements for volume, distance, and mass. In detail, you will be provided with notes and also live Zoom sessions where we can talk about it, discuss these topics. You will also have opportunity to contact me during office hours or small group sessions on Fridays if you have questions about any of the topic. And hopefully we can connect and really get down on the topic and try our best to understand everything there is to understand. Now, importance of scientific method and measurement. Now, let's assume that this is our first time being a human. I am a human for the first time today, and I feel a pain in my stomach. And I'm wondering, okay, what is this? What's going on? So I do some research. I head to the library, I search on the internet, and I learn about something called hunger. Then I realize, okay, if I eat, maybe it will go away. So I eat something, and it does go away. So this was my way of conducting a very informal scientific experiment. I faced a problem and then I researched it. I found a hypothesis which basically means an educated guess of what is causing the problem and what the solution might be. And so I found out that maybe eating something will make it go away. And I did it, I found the results, and then I conveyed it all to you. This is basically a scientific experiment. And this is the very basic one. There are so many experiments out there that are happening without even us knowing. For examples, one day my eyes got blurry. I wonder what's the problem. I researched it. I found out that I might need glasses. I conducted an experiment by going to the doctor. They found out that I actually did need glasses, and so on. So everywhere you look around, scientific experiments are being conducted all around you. And similarly, the same can be said for measurements. If you're going to buy a new pair of shoes, you need to know what size they are. If you're going to buy new clothes, you need to know what size of clothes you wear. If you're going to get ice cream, you need to know what quantity of ice cream is most suitable for your needs. If you want to get burgers, again, how many do you need? These are all very basic scenarios in our everyday life that forces us to use scientific method and measurements without even us knowing of it. Hence, very important for us to learn more about it so we can use it accurately and not in a faulty manner. Now, this unit has been broken down into 5 days. On the very first day, we will talk about measurements, and the rest of the days will be used to talk about the various steps that are involved in scientific method. Again, all the assignments, all the readings have been posted on Google Classroom, so please contact me if you have any questions. I am a resource that I ask that you use and utilize. So yeah, if you have any questions, you can contact me using my email address. Or you can connect with me on Class Dojo. Now, the next thing on the agenda that I do want to talk about is the assignments. Now, there are a bunch of small assignments that have been given to you every day. These might be exit tickets. These might be independent practice assignments or lab assignments. And all of these are due by Friday of the given week. So even if this was assigned to you on Monday, it's not due until Friday. So as long as you submit these assignments by Friday midnight or 11:59 p.m. on Friday, it's all good. You will be graded on those bases. Again, this has not been finalized yet. This might change, so do not think that this is always going to be the case. It's not. I might change the due dates, and if you contact me and let me know that you need extra time, I will most definitely extend the deadlines for you. So again, communication is the best way to make sure you get what you want, and I'm able to help you in any and every way that I can. And the last thing I do want to talk about is Flipgrid. So we will be using Flipgrid a lot. I don't know if you guys have already used it. It's basically a platform where all the students in the class, including me as a teacher, can upload short 1-minute videos about particular questions or discussions that we all can participate in, especially given that we are having a distance learning situation. You will be able to explore Flipgrid today. So I have a topic for your class where you go and say hello. So you basically just talk about yourself for a period of a minute or so, and you explain. Oh well, you don't exactly explain, but you just talk about yourself, drop in a couple of hobbies, fun facts, etc. So this is a chance to get to know Flipgrid and how it works. Again, if you have any questions, please contact me. And the last thing, sorry, this was the last thing, not the other one, but the last thing that I do want to talk about is you should please try and connect with us on Zoom live sessions. These are going to have a lot of information. Even though I am going to be providing you with detailed notes and PowerPoint presentations and readings, you might be missing on something very important during these Zoom live sessions. So please try and attend these sessions on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And if you have any questions, again, you can connect with me on Friday, which is when our small group session will take place. And we can talk about any doubts, any questions, any concerns that you have, and we will go ahead. So go ahead and, well, add nothing. This is all I have for you guys today, and I will see you later.